In this video, I will show you how to deactivate Instagram account and reactivate it again. First of all, launch open the Instagram app. Now you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. This should take you to settings and activity. Now you want to tap on the account center option. Go ahead and tap on that. Here you want to scroll down and find the option of manage accounts. Select that. Now go ahead and find the Instagram account. Now tap on the manage option. Here select deactivation or deletion. Make sure that you select deactivate account, which is temporary. Then tap on the continue option. Now you will have to enter your password, so go ahead and do that. Then tap on the continue option. Now on this page, you will have to select a reason why you want to deactivate your Instagram account. Tap on continue after you do that. Scroll down and here if you want to automatically reactivate your account, go ahead and select the day. Now you want to tap on the deactivate account option. Once you do that, your account will be successfully deactivated. If you want to reactivate it again, all you need to do is enter your credentials. So enter your email address, mobile number or username, then enter your password and tap on the login option. Then your account will be successfully reactivated. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.